Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I bleach the knots on my lace front units, and this is a wig that we'll be working with today. I got this wig from Amazon for my mom's birthday. Yeah, so this is how the wig came. The knots are not bleached and they are pretty big, as you can see. So I'm just going to customize the wig a bit for her so it looks a little bit better when she wears it. So these are the knots up close and personal. You can see that they are very big, so I'm going to go ahead and bleach them. Alright, so today I will be using the L'Oreal Quick Blue powder bleach along with the Clairol 30 volume developer, a regular small container that I always use to mix my products, and I have my handy dandy brush. It looks a little bit old, but it works. And of course I have a scoop, which I didn't need because as you will see there's already a scoop in the powder bleach. Now for the measurements, if I'm bleaching one unit, I normally use like a scoop or a scoop and a half of powdered bleach. I'm gonna be scooping out like one and a half, but you're gonna see I'll be putting back some in the jar because it just looked too much. Like if you're bleaching like 2 units, I guess you could probably use 2 scoops dependent on you, but for me I find that to be sufficient. Now when it comes on to the developer, I just normally add as I go, because when you're mixing you want to get the consistency like when you're making like pancake batter. You do not want it to be too runny, or else it is going to seep through your lace and it's going to get on the hair itself. And you do not want it to be too thick where you cannot spread it onto the lace. So I just normally add as I go along, add as is needed, right? So you'll see me here just mixing and adding to get the right consistency. So yeah, that's just how I do it. All right. Alright, so this is the end result after mixing. And guys, please remember to wear your gloves when you're doing this because it will actually burn you when it gets onto your hands. So now I'll be using my T-pins that I got from Amazon to pin my wig to my mannequin head so it doesn't move around when I'm applying the bleach. But first I'm just using my fingers to push back any short hairs in the front so I won't get any bleach on it. You can also use got-to-be glue or any holding spray to spray your hair back before you put it onto your mannequin head. Alright, so now I'll just be using a plastic fork to apply my bleach, and you want to do this as light-handed as possible because you do not want to be too hard. You do not want to press the bleach into the lace because it's going to seep through and get on the hair itself. All right, so you want to take your time and apply it. If you are a professional, then you can go a little bit faster, but if you are not, take your time and apply it. It may look as if I'm rushing because the video is sped up, but I am taking my time and I am not pressing into the lace because I do not want to press the bleach onto the hair itself. Alright, so I'm gonna be leaving the bleach on the wig for around 20 minutes. The most I normally leave it on is for like 30 minutes, and that's when the knots are very big and very dark. All right, so I'm gonna come back and wash it out after 20 minutes. All right, so guys, here I am. I checked and the knots are okay, so I'm gonna wash out the wig. Alright, so after washing out the wig, I'll be using a neutralizing shampoo just to make sure that the bleaching process is stopped. So I'm going to be applying this to all of the lace front, anywhere I put the bleach. Actually, I'm going to apply the neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to rub it in just to make sure that it gets throughout all the lace, and I'm going to be checking the front of the wig to make sure that all the bleach is in fact out of the wig. So after washing the wig, this is what it looks like, and as you can see, the knots look very good, except that it has that orange tone that sometimes you get when you use the bleach on your lace. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'll be using the purple shampoo to tone down the brassiness that's on the lace. So I'll be using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo that I get from my beauty supply store. Very inexpensive. I believe I paid $1 and change for this bottle, and I'm gonna be applying it mostly to the lace. After rubbing it into the lace, I will be leaving it for a few minutes, maybe 10 or 12 minutes, to make sure that it will tone down the brassiness of the wig, because I hate that orange color, guys. Yeah. So after I leave it for 15 minutes, I come back and I'm just going to wash it out. And guys, you cannot afford to skip this step if you're going to bleach your lace. Like, you need a purple shampoo, and they're very inexpensive. So if you're going to do this, get yourself one. All right, so after washing out the purple shampoo, I'll be using my Aussie Moist conditioner, and this is going to make the curls pop. You guys are going to see in a minute, like, the hair is going to feel so soft and the curls are going to be so bouncy. All right, so I'm just going to apply it and I'm going to comb it through. Sometimes I leave it on the hair for maybe 5 or 6 minutes, but today I just couldn't do that. So I'm just going to rub it in, comb it through. And guys, here I'm just showing you how the curls look, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. Alright, so after washing out the wig, I put it on my mannequin head for a day, and this is the end result, guys. Like, you can see the difference. The picture on the left is the picture of the wig before I bleached the knots, and the one on the right is, of course, the after picture. And as you can see, it looks more natural. It looks more skin-like. Yeah, the knots are way smaller. I couldn't allow it to go any further because I didn't want to over bleach the knots and cause hair loss. And guys, just to let you know, this is a two-part series. I'll be doing a video showing you guys how I attach my elastic band to my units and how I cut my lace, so you want to stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like my content, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching and bye. Mwah.